Hey there, welcome back to SysTools YouTube channel, your go-to place for quick and easy solutions to tech challenges. In today's video, we're diving into how to convert TXT files to PDF documents. If you're looking for step-by-step guidance to complete the task effortlessly, you're in the right place. Here at SysTools, we believe in making things simple, effective, and stress-free. That's why we'll also introduce you to an amazing tool by SysTools that can help you convert TXT files to PDF documents with just a few clicks. To install the SysTools Document Converter software, download it from the link in the video description. After installing, simply launch it. This is the interface of the SysTools Document Converter software. This tool provides users with two options to view and read TXT files. The Add Files option allows you to select single or multiple files. The Add Folder option lets you select an entire folder at once. Click on the Add Folder option and select the folder containing TXT files. Click on the Select Folder button. This document converter also allows you to view password-protected files. Click the Next button to proceed. Users can view and read TXT files by clicking on individual files. Click the Next button to proceed. Our tool allows the users to customize and restructure the PDF file according to their unique requirements. Header and footer settings allows the user to customize the appearance of headers and footers in the PDF document after conversion. Page layout option defines how the content will be displayed on each page of the converted PDF. This includes aspects like margins, paper orientation, and page size. Font settings allows the users to customize various aspects of the font, including font size, and font color. Bates number option automatically add a unique identifier to each page of the converted PDF document. This includes aspects like Bates number format and date stamp. Add password on output PDF files allows the user to secure the PDF document after converting it from TXT files. Select Destination Path option allows the user to choose where the converted file will be saved. Click on Change button to select the location. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the conversion process. Click on the Export button and conversion process will begin. After a short while, a notification will appear on the screen indicating that the conversion process was successful. Click OK. Let's take a look at the converted PDF documents. Click Open any PDF document to view it. That's all for this video.
Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.